Welcome back to the channel. Well, the fun thing about being a growing YouTube channel is that you get a box in the mail every so often, and this one's addressed to Chef Mark. That means one thing. This has got to be a product that was sent to me for review. So let's open it together. I'm curious to see what it is. We're going to do a review and give you my honest opinion about whatever this is. Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the laboratory. This is my commissary kitchen where I do a lot of prep work for events that I do for Appliance Factory. We make a lot of videos here, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. All right, I'll stop waving my knife at you. Let's find out here what we got going on. Okay. Oh. Silicone taco plate, 3-pack. Initial reaction, they have a fair amount of heft to them, more than you would think 3 taco holders should have. Let's see here. User manual, BPA free, that's cool. Versatile design, hard soft tacos, designed for all ages. I can see that. You got a kid who makes a mess, it's kind of like a built-in bib. Keep away from open flames. Heat resistant to 446 degrees. When I first opened the box and saw a taco holder, I thought, you know, like a lot of those taco holders are kind of like nesting. I like that this has got a built-in plate. The colors are cool. Initial reaction, rather, I'm impressed. All right, so you know what that means. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make some tacos. We're gonna run them through a dishwasher a bunch of times, run them through the microwave a bunch of times, durability test, and finally I think we'll enjoy some crispy and soft tacos. All right, so stand by.